Alam ko from the nitty-gritty of governance. Ito.
No.
I'm not saying na hindi nila harapin. I mean, presidente ka. I'm not saying that they would maybe ignore. Ang problema, you have to confront this frontally. Kaya pag sinabi ko, kayo, umalis kayo dito, papatayin kita. Pag hindi ka umalis, talagang papatayin kita. Kaya I would order the police. Lahat. Pati I will utilize the military because Gloria Arroyo raised the threat of the drugs to the level of a national security. When you do that, you can use the military now. And I will tell the police and the military, go hunt them down, and if they offer a violent resistance, and if you feel that your life is in danger, kill him. Ako ang bahala.